Okay, so steering stabilizer. There's one anchor point, and via that bracket it anchors there on that tie rod. But obviously this tie rod end has an anchor point there, and then there is this anchor point on the chassis. So this is how it came, which I think it's a different setup, but if you can share information as to why they come that way, because I think most of the ones I've seen use that tie rod end anchor point there and this anchor point here in the chassis. So any insight as to why this different setup, and two, if I can just switch it the other way, what do I gain or not by changing it? Cool, thank you.